Hey there, it's Mark Yegge. Welcome back to the Covered Call channel I have going on here. And I'm just going to point out 4 stocks here that come up in my screen. And these are called my high growth in range stocks. And there's just 4 of them that came up today. Now keep in mind, we're in a green market. Green markets act like a tailwind to buyers that are bullish, of course, that we're looking for stocks to go higher. And so these 4 will hopefully be falling into the tailwind if this market continues to go up, like it seems like it is. Pretty strong market, like in the 3rd week of a green market right now. That's good, right? So let's start with the first one. The first one is Blackstone. We all know Blackstone, right? They provide asset management. They go and buy everybody's houses up when the markets are crappy. And they've been doing really, really well doing that. And they've got pretty decent earnings to boot. So in 2020, they only made $1.50, but they'll be up to $5.35 in 2024. There was an anomaly in their 2021 where they made $8. But anyway, you could see the earnings per share growth over time. Now, this doesn't just from this quarter to last quarter. This is over time. That's why it made it through the screen. So Blackstone coming up the right side of what looks like a cut base, bounced off a 200-day moving average, went up through the 50-day moving average. Looking fairly strong to me, Blackstone. Let's go to Workday. This is a company that provides cloud-based applications in finance and human resources. And these guys are really good in their relative strength. They got a nice little cup coming off of a 50 and a 200-day bounce. Good, strong earnings per share growth. Workday is good, and they got 1.7 million shares a day on average they trade. I like that kind of stuff, and I like that they're over $100. Two themes that I like. Okay, American International Group. Gosh, this thing you forget about. This is one of the ones that went bankrupt in 2007, 2008. And look at it going strong. The insurance market is going with gangbusters right now. And AIG is no exception. Look at this strength off the bottom from March of 2023. Look at the almost straight up, like every week it had a blue week. And you can see that it's actually in a breakout right now, and it's breaking out to all-time highs. I mean, this thing looks really strong to me right now. So AIG, keep an eye on that one. Aflac, another in the insurance theme. Same thing. Look at that long. It's almost like a check mark, right? It's like, I call it a check mark pattern. You kind of go down, and then there's some reason it goes up, probably earnings or bouncing off the 200 or some technical thing, and boom. It just kind of went on a straight up tear. A couple of down weeks in there more than the other one, but with a 87% relative strength rating, pretty good earnings per share growth, just kind of chugging along. Insurance companies kind of chug along. That's what they do. So there are your 4. It's Blackstone, Workday, AIG, and AFL, which is Aflac. Hope that helps. Remember, concentrate on the cash flow and never give up your power in your health, your wealth, or your time. See you next time. Hi, Mark Yegge here, wealth architect and author of this book on my covered call investing system called the Cash Flow Machine. Listen, what you just saw is just one part of creating reliable income of 2 to 4% a month from the stock market. But if it were that easy, then everyone would do it, right? If you want to learn how I create investment income the right way, then you need to learn and have a system with rules and what-if strategies so that you can learn what I do when the market goes against me, what I do when the stock goes against me, how to adjust my trade so that it's always in a winning position, how much to risk, how to build a multi-million-dollar portfolio that creates income of $10,000, $20,000, or $30,000 a month in semi-passive income. And best of all, the whole cash flow machine system takes less than an hour a week to implement. Just go to cashflowmachine.io to learn more, or click this link for more videos, masterclasses, and free resources. See you there.